My name is Joe Bettinardi, and I'm the owner of Donson Machine. And Donson specializes in high precision parts, components, specifically for the healthcare industry, the food industry. The best thing that Monarch does for Donson is it takes the pressure off of me as an owner so I can go and sell. I enjoy selling. That's what I think I'm good at. I really don't want to be worried about hiring people and finding people. It takes a ton of pressure off of me.
We've been with Monarch now for over 15 years now, I would say. And they've been a great asset for the company as far as recruitment and finding eligible people in our industry that can come on board and just get their hands dirty and do very little training because they've been recruited and know the industry very well.
Bottom line with Monarch is that in today's economic environment, employers cannot afford to look the other way on risk management. They need to bring these candidates in, they need to audition them further at their job site before they let them have access to their payroll, their benefits, and anything else.
Monarch stands out from the competition because we actually bring everyone in here personally. We don't push paper, we push people.
When I went to Monarch, I sat down with Victor and he let me know what I was going to be doing, and then I had to undergo a series of tests, blueprint reading, basic shop math, and just things to try and find what my skill levels were.
I started out in manufacturing as a machinist too many years ago to count, and been in manufacturing for going on 40 years, between a machinist, a plant manager, and now a recruiter. Yeah, when the candidates come in, we usually can determine what type of tests we'd like to give the candidates depending on what they're applying for. Whether it's a general machining position, entry level, where there's a basic test that we can give. If it's a more advanced position, we can give a more advanced math test, a full blueprint reading, and then some G&M code testing to see if they're programmers. And during the interview process, I ask questions that can determine if they can program at the machine or offline, what are their capabilities, what type of software they're using to do that programming.
We eliminate the liability and the risk that you would have if you hired somebody off the street. We take care of the workers' comp, the unemployment taxes, the wages. We make sure the person shows up on time. We're very due diligent about following up with all our temps that come in to work. Keep in mind 99% of all our temporaries go permanent, so we have a very good record on the types of people we find and how successful they are.
I started with Monarch about 21 years ago. It allowed me to grow in my field and got me to where I'm at today, and I'm a quality director and I'm hiring people through it. So what makes it nice from my side is it allows me to get to know people, see if they're going to fit, if a good job fit. So we're not tied to anything. Get someone qualified that I can count on when I'm going forward.
Everything they do is honesty. They're not going to try to sneak somebody into Donson that might be the perfect person or might be the right person. They're always, in 21 years, have been totally honest, which means sometimes they have to do more work and they've got to go back to the drawing board and find more people. But I love the integrity, I love the sincerity, and in business today, it's hard to find that.
And I'm very happy with their services. Whenever I had a problem with pay or time off or anything like that, I can go directly to them, and they have a professional staff that would take care of the issues almost instantly.
We would like to be considered a strategic partner, and that is a partner in finding candidates for the work that they need done and for us to become that resource for them.
I'm one of the owners, and I care a lot because I am at the shops and I get the jobs and I bring them to our offices, and I want to follow up with each and every client to make sure they're happy.
I must get at least 3-4 calls a week for different recruiting companies throughout the Chicagoland area. But I stick with Monarch because they have the technical expertise to recruit the people that I need, and not just any temp service that's off the street that just is looking to fill in a body in the company.
I don't think there's anybody better.
We're the best.